Welcome to this complete guide to Apache Props Ant Library. We will build a practical understanding from the core ideas through architecture, real-world use, trade-offs, and best practices. If this kind of clear technical breakdown helps you, like the video and subscribe, then share your biggest question in the comments so a future guide can address it. In this tutorial, we will explore the Apache Props Ant Library, a supplementary handler library for Apache Ant properties resolution. Introduced in Ant 1.8.0, Apache Props provides instances of org.apache.tools.ant.property-helper delegate that can be invoked using the property helper task. This library is essential for managing complex property resolutions in your Ant projects. One of the key features of Apache Props is its ability to support nested expansions. This means you can use variables within variables, making your property resolutions even more flexible and powerful. Additionally, Apache Props allows you to create arbitrary types, giving you greater control over how your properties are evaluated. Finally, this library enhances Ant's property expressions, making it easier to work with complex property values. To use Apache Props in your Ant projects, you can either build the library from source or download the pre-built jar file. Once you have the jar file, you can use one of three approaches to include it in your project. The first approach is the traditional way. Simply add the antprops.jar file to your class path and configure the typedef task. Alternatively, you can assign a namespace URI or use Ant's auto-discovery to include the library. Once you have included the Apache Props library in your project, you can access its tasks and properties using the props namespace. This namespace is essential for invoking the various tasks and utilities provided by the library. For example, you can use the props nested/task to resolve nested property values. Apache Props is an essential library for any serious Ant developer. Its ability to manage complex property resolutions makes it a crucial tool for enterprise-level projects. Whether you're working with microservices, container scheduling, or other complex systems, Apache Props can help you streamline your workflow and improve the overall quality of your project. The benefits of using Apache Props in your Ant projects are numerous. By providing improved workflow, enhanced property management, and better scalability, this library can help you build more efficient and effective applications. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale enterprise application, Apache Props is an essential tool for any serious developer. Apache Props is a versatile library that can be used in a variety of different scenarios. Whether you're working with property resolution, arbitrary type creation, or nested expansion support, this library provides the tools and utilities you need to build more efficient and effective applications. To get the most out of Apache Props, it's essential to follow best practices. This includes using a namespace URI, assigning a namespace prefix, and configuring the typedef task. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your project is well organized and easy to maintain. Even with the best practices in place, problems can still arise when using Apache Props. In this tutorial, we'll explore some common troubleshooting techniques and strategies for resolving issues with the library. In conclusion, Apache Props is an essential library for any serious Ant developer. Its ability to manage complex property resolutions makes it a crucial tool for building efficient and effective applications. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale enterprise application, Apache Props is an invaluable resource. For more information on Apache Props, we recommend checking out the official documentation and tutorials. Additionally, the Ant documentation provides a wealth of information on property resolution and other related topics. In conclusion, Apache Props is an essential library for any serious Ant developer. Its ability to manage complex property resolutions makes it a crucial tool for building efficient and effective applications. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale enterprise application, Apache Props is an invaluable resource. In this tutorial, we'll explore the advantages of using Apache Props for property resolution compared to other libraries. We'll also discuss some common use cases and best practices for working with this library. In this section, we'll cover some frequently asked questions about Apache Props. This includes common use cases, best practices, and troubleshooting techniques. In this section, we'll explore some real-world scenarios where Apache Props can be used to manage complex property resolutions. This includes enterprise-level projects and microservices architecture. In conclusion, Apache Props is an essential library for any serious Ant developer. Its ability to manage complex property resolutions makes it a crucial tool for building efficient and effective applications. In this section, we'll discuss the future directions for Apache Props. This includes potential new features and improvements to the library. In conclusion, Apache Props is an essential library for any serious Ant developer. Its ability to manage complex property resolutions makes it a crucial tool for building efficient and effective applications. In closing, we hope this tutorial has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of Apache Props. Its ability to manage complex property resolutions makes it an essential tool for any serious Ant developer. Now that you have a solid understanding of Apache Props, we encourage you to try it out in your own projects. With its powerful property resolution capabilities and flexible configuration options, Apache Props is an invaluable tool for any serious Ant developer. You now have a working overview of Apache Props Ant Library, but the best next step is to apply one idea while it is still fresh. Tell us in the comments which concept was most useful or what still needs a deeper explanation. If this guide saved you time, like it, subscribe for the next technical deep dive, and share it with someone who would benefit from the same clear overview.